Hey, here's just a little preview or unboxing of some new toys I got. I'd always had this track system here I'd use to kind of get a straight edge. I got it for a really good deal secondhand, like $20. So heck of a deal on this for the Bora, straight edge track system. And I'd used that a few times for cutting straight edges, just kind of as a guide. And then I realized it sure would be nice to have something else. And I started looking around and found all these other accessories I can get. So I got the NGX rip guide with saw plate. It really wasn't that much more than getting the saw plate alone. And then you get this nice rip guide as well. So you can use either the saw plate with the track, or you can use the rip guide to go ahead and if you've got a straight edge along one side and you're going to just equally distance it off of that, you can do that. So that's definitely a good deal. That's about $38, currently $38.99 on Amazon to pick that up. And then I figured I might as well get the jigsaw guide. So the jigsaw guide was really cheap, only about it was under $9 to get that. So thought might as well pick that up too, since I have the track already. Go ahead and get the jigsaw guide. So you see my saws that I have here. I'll do another video where I actually show you how we put the guides on. The jigsaw one's really easy. This one's more a little more work, especially because I have the rear handle saw. But I played with it earlier and it still can get on there just fine. So we'll go ahead, we'll set them up, and then hopefully I can find a project to do where I can go ahead and show you the use of these in action. So again, we're looking at the Bora NGX rip guide with saw plate, and then the Bora Jigsaw guide as well. So that's what we got here. We'll check them out. I'm excited to cut some wood. Didn't like having the table saw around, and this is just a lot smaller and more convenient for me.